1. So 33 is left child, 27 will become the right child. Now 5 has children 16 and 11. Now which node has been come to the child's position? At this node. Now we will consider the more further downward movement for this node 27. But as 27 has no more children, so we will stop this iteration 2. Now at this iteration 2, so we will go for the next iteration. That is we will go for iteration 3. That is, we will go for iteration 3. And in this iteration 3, as which parent nodes will be checked for its proper position. Now this, in previous iteration, this was the parent node. So next previous parent node will be checked in the next iteration for its proper position or not. So if I so it is in iteration 3. And what is the 3 now? It becomes 7, 10, 25, 17, this 23, then 1, then 5, 19, 37, 42, and 4, 33, 27, 16, 11. So this is the parent position which will be checked for proper position or not. So 23 has children 42 and 4. 23 is less than 42, this children, so no problem, but 23 is greater than another child which is 4. So we will interchange between 23 and 4. So in next step, in iteration 3, the 3 will be changed. So what the 3 will be? It will be 7, 10, 25, 17. At the position of 23, 4 will come. So here it will be 4. Then 1, 5, 19, 37, 42. Now 4 at the position 4, 23 will come. So here it will be 23. Then 33, 27, then 16, then 11. So what is the new child? The new child is this one, that is 23. Now 23 will be checked for further downward movement. As the 23 has no more child, so we will stop the iteration here. So we will go for next iteration, which is iteration 5. So we will go for next iteration 5. And in iteration 5, if we draw the tree 7, 10, that is last modified tree, then 17, 4, 1, 5, then 19, 37, 42, 23, 33, then 27, then 16 and 11. Now what was the parent at the previous iteration? It was 23. So in next iteration, the previous parent will be the previous parent will be considered for proper position. That is, node 17 will be checked for its proper position. Now if we check node 17, it has two children, 19 and 37. Now both are greater than the parent node, so there is no change in this tree. So no swapping will be there between parent or child. So that tree does not change in this iteration 5. But so iteration, if there is no change in the tree, so we will go for the next iteration. That is, we will go for iteration 6. We will go for iteration 6. And if we write the tree 7, 10, 25, 17, 4, 1, 5, 19, 37, 42, 23, 33, 27, 16 and 11. See, in iteration 6, which parent position will be checked for proper positioning? Now, the previous parent of the last iteration. So the previous parent of the last iteration, previous parent of the parent node in previous iteration, it was a parent position. So in iteration 6, the previous parent of this node will be checked for its proper position. So 25 will be checked. Now we will compare 25 with its two children 1 and 5. Both are less than 25, but one has a lower value than 5. So 25 will be 25 and this lower value child, that is 1, they will be interchanged. So the tree changes now in iteration 6 and we obtain the tree 7, 10. Now at the place of 25, 1 will come. So 1 is coming here. It is 17, then 4, then it is 25 and 5, then 19, 37, 42, 23, 33, 27, then 16 and 11. So which position has been changed? Now which is the new child? New child is 25. Now 25 it will be checked for further downward movement because 25 has children. So 25 has children 33 and 27. Both are the parent node is less than both of its children. So we will not go for further downward movement and the iteration will and as the what was the parent node in this iteration? 25, this position, and as this is not the root position, so we will stop root position, so we will go for the next iteration. So we will go for iteration 7. We will go for iteration 7, and the last modified 3 will be now here. So 7, 10, 1, 17, 4, 25, 5, 19, 37, 42, 23, then 33, 27, then 16 and 11. So which was the parent node in this previous